Welcome to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.
I want to welcome everyone to the Business Leader Spotlight Show. This is Randy Van Ittersum, your host for today. Today we have with us Marvin Solomiany, a leading divorce attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. He's here today to talk to us about some of the legal issues you can encounter in a divorce. Marvin, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
And tell us, what's the process that somebody could expect to go through when they sit down with you for a consultation?
Sure. The most important meeting, I would say, is the initial consultation that they would have with their attorney. And the purpose of an initial consultation is really not to learn everything about the case, because obviously that would be impossible to do in a limited period of time. But the main purpose is to try to get a general idea of what the main issues are going to be in the divorce case. And when I say main issues, I mean issues that are going to be subject to some disagreement by the opposing party, whether it's financial issues, the amount of child support, the amount of alimony, the duration of the alimony, or from the other perspective, whether there's going to be custodial issues. I want to know from the very beginning, am I going to be dealing with a hotly contested custody case, or is this going to be a situation where basically one of the parties is okay with the other parent having primary physical custody, and we just basically have to come up with a reasonable parenting plan to ensure that both parties have, readily available access to their children. From a client's perspective, it is, I think, important, and a lot of clients and attorneys, I think, forget about this, is as an attorney, I'm working for the client. So what I also want to know is, and one of the initial questions that I ask when I've gotten enough information about the case is, what are the client's goals in this process? Divorce is a highly emotional, personal process, and at the end of the day, I want to make sure that my client's goals is what basically is leading and driving, the resolution process. Not my goals, because I work for them. I'm an agent on their behalf. So I want to know from the very beginning what it is that they want to accomplish by going through this process. Opportunity.
Thank you for listening to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.